Welcome to the HollyFrontier Video Information Center. In this video series, our goal is to help you to order, receive, and handle product accurately and safely. Today's topic, pulling a sample from a truck upon delivery. Okay, here you are ready to pull a sample, but don't attempt it unless you have been trained in following these procedures. First, review the current safety data sheets for proper handling of the product you are receiving. If you need them, you can find them on our website. Then, follow the appropriate safety procedures and wear the personal protective equipment, PPE, the SDS sheet recommends. In addition, before you begin sampling, always review the carrier's shipping paperwork to ensure that the correct product and quantity has been delivered, and to make certain that the product has been delivered in the same vehicle that was loaded at HollyFrontier's facility. Next, visually inspect the tank truck and check to see that the seals have not been broken. Once that's done, put drip cloths and pans in place and pull what we call a representative sample. A representative sample is one that will tell you the general characteristics and condition of the product in the truck. If you are dealing with a multi-compartment trailer, take a sample from each compartment. Be sure to start your sampling at the bottom discharge manifold first. That's because it's the lowest point on the vehicle and the place any water or sediment is most likely to collect. Use a clean, clear glass container for this sampling and visually inspect the sample for non-typical color, haze-free water, and rust or dirt particles. You can refer to retained samples of previous shipments as standards for color. If you see water or contamination in the sample, keep draining the product until the sample becomes clean. This should take as much as 25 gallons. Once you are satisfied and have a clean bottom discharge sample, use a sample thief to pull the composite sample from the top, middle, and bottom of each compartment. As an example, in pulling the sample from the top hatch, lower the thief all the way down until it hits the bottom of the tank truck. Then, pull it back up through the hatch and label it with the product name and date like so. And perform the same sampling procedure for each compartment, if necessary. We recommend you retain samples for at least 6 months, but be sure to follow your company's procedures. So that's it, sampling. The procedures are simple. First, visually inspect the vehicle and check to see that the seals are not broken. Take your first sample from the bottom discharge manifold, pick a thief and use it properly to take a composite sample. Sample the top, middle, and bottom of every compartment, label each and retain them according to your company's policy. Remember, be precise and be thorough. Thanks for watching. Continue the video series for more information or visit HollyFrontierLSP.com.